to show you how to find the lengths and perimeters using solving equations. And in these questions, you'll have the answer, and it will be asking you to find an unknown, which in this case is a t and its letters. So we have the perimeter, which is the outside of the shape, in a triangle equals 24 centimeters, and it's asking you to write an equation and find t. So let's get all our information written down. T plus 7 plus t plus 3 plus t minus 1. And we've been told that it's 24 centimeters. So there we go. Brilliant. So we need to find what t is. So we'll do some collecting like terms. We'll get our t's together, which comes to 3t. Get our numbers together, which is 7 plus 3 is 10, minus 1 is plus 9. Remember, the objective is to get t, to find our unknown. So to do that, we need to get rid of this number. It's a plus 9, so it gets over the equal sign. It becomes a negative, which gives us 15. And then we're going to divide that 3 to get t on its own. So the answer is 5 centimeters. And if you want to check your answer, you can rewrite this out, but instead of putting t there, put your 5, and it should all add up to 24. Scaling triangle B has a perimeter of 31 centimeters. Write an equation, find the value of p. So we're doing exactly the same thing. So we've got 2p minus 3 plus 2p minus 5 plus p plus 4, and they told us it all equals 31 centimeters. Collect like terms. 2p plus 2p plus p is 5p. Sort out all the numbers, collect them together, which is going to be minus 4 equals 31. And we're going to do 5p equals 31 plus 4. We'll take it over. This gives us 35. Divide our 5 to get p on its own. Equals 7 centimeters. So those two are nice and straightforward. So let's move on to where they ask for an extra something. And in this one, it's asking for the length of the base. So it's asking for another step here. C is an isosceles. So remember, an isosceles, they have the same length, the same sides. That's what these lines symbolize. So knowing that, we're going to go 2 times 3x, that's 2 lots, plus 2x minus 3 equals 47 centimeters. So it's given us what it equals. So then we're just going to expand. So that's 6x plus 2. Now we're going to collect like terms. Since using all bits of algebra, 6x plus 2x is 8x. Plus 2 minus 3 is minus 1 equals 47. Then we're going to take our number over, because we need to get x on its own. 47 plus 8 plus 1, is 48. And 8 divided by 48, x equals 6. So we found our x. Now it's asking us to find the length of the base. And this is the length. This is our base. So all we're going to do is substitute our x, which is 6, into our information. So 2 times 6 minus 3. So the answer is 9 centimetres. So to get the actual answer, which is here, the question, sorry, which is here, we have to do this first. And once we find x, we substitute into the part. So if they wanted the length, the height, they would have said the x here, and we would have done the same. So this one's super easy. This is the area of a right-angled triangle. So you've got to remember a triangle to find the area of a triangle equals a half base times the height. That's multiplied. So we have 4 times x. So it's going to be 4x, because that's really easy to work out. It's 4x equals 14. Now I'm going to half this. That becomes 2x. And then I'm going to divide 2 into the 14, which gives us x equals 7. How easy was that? So you're only dealing with this on this side. And one last one there. The perimeter of the rectangle E is 42 centimetres. So this is asking for the length and the width. So there's 2 extra parts to this. But no problem. Let's start from the beginning. Let's do what we know, what we can see. So we know it's a rectangle. They're the same length and they're the same length. So we're going to do 2 times 3x plus 1 plus 2 times x plus 4. And it equals 42. So we're going to expand. 2 times 3 is 2x plus 2 plus 2x plus 8 equals 42. Collect like terms. It's going to be 8x plus 10 equals 42. 8x equals 42. Subtract 10, because that has gone over the equal side. It's 32. And now I'm going to divide that 8 with the 32 so we can find out x. And the answer, of course, is 4, because 8 into 32 per 4 times. Okay, we found x. That's the first step done. Now we're going to find out the length and the width. And that is purely what we've done here. We're substituting this x. So we've got 3x plus 1. And we have, so that's the length. Put that there. For the width, it's x plus 4. So let's find our information. 3, x is 4 times 4 plus 1. 3 times 4 is 12 plus 1 equals 13 centimetres for the length. And the width is, well, x is 4. 4 plus 4 equals 8 centimetres. So there you have it. This bit's crucial because if you get the x wrong, you get this wrong and you get that wrong. So you really have to think about it and be careful when you're collecting your like terms or expanding out. Well, I hope that's helped you guys. It's a subject I do enjoy. I do like doing algebra, especially with shapes, because I know you guys do find them quite difficult. So I would suggest looking at my simplifying, substitution, collecting like terms, expanding brackets. They're all videos that all come together in this video. Okay? Good luck and speak soon.